Put a piece of newspaper in your fridge and leave it overnight. This trick is genius. Before I tell you why keeping newspaper in the fridge matters so much, give your fridge a proper clean. Grab a bowl, pour in some water, and add a splash of vinegar. Vinegar has great cleaning and deodorizing properties, which is why it works perfectly for cleaning the fridge. Next, take a cloth, preferably a microfiber one, dip it in the water, wring it out well, and thoroughly wipe down the entire fridge, including the shelves and the door. Once your fridge is clean, it's time for the simple newspaper trick. Tear off a piece of newspaper and put it in a glass container. Pour on a little water, wait until the paper soaks it up, then roll it into a small ball. All you have to do now is place it on a shelf in the fridge and leave it for a few hours, ideally overnight. Newspaper is great at absorbing bad odors, so your fridge will start smelling normal again fast. But that's not all. It can also help when moisture builds up inside, so if you're wondering how to get rid of excess moisture in your fridge, this trick really makes a difference, because the paper absorbs the extra water. It's hard to believe a simple piece of newspaper can do so much. So if you're wondering how to get rid of fridge smells, just repeat this trick every now and then, and your fridge will smell fresh and clean without any harsh chemicals. Just one drop is enough to keep the glass shelves in your fridge clean, free from steam, stains, and streaks for an entire year. This trick really makes life easier because you can postpone cleaning your fridge. From time to time, you only need to remove crumbs. Nothing will stick anymore and steam won't settle, even if you're searching inside for a long time. It's one of the simplest and most effective methods you can try. Next time you clean, empty the fridge, take out the shelves, wash them thoroughly, and dry them. When the glass is completely dry, take a soft cloth and a tiny bit of glycerin, literally 1 or 2 drops. You can find glycerin in drugstores, and a small bottle lasts a very long time. Polish both sides of the shelves until the liquid disappears and the glass looks dry again. From that moment, the shelves won't fog up, and spilled liquids won't stick. A quick wipe will be enough, no scrubbing or removing needed. The thin glycerin layer acts like an invisible protective shield, making your fridge look freshly cleaned all the time. It's a simple trick that works like professional cleaning.